Hi guys, Rich Podrick here, and in this video we are going to talk about the 10 websites that can pay you daily so that you can earn up to $3,000 or more in your months, and you can pay some checks. So without further words, let's jump into it. So number 10 is SiteCode QME. In this site you can just browse your website, just browse the internet in Google, and in this side of the screen you will see some ads when you can click on. Also you can, if you don't want this feature for your browser, you can take surveys or play game and earn some cash, and you can collect this point. And QME is the company that pays you directly cash without some gift cards or something like that. So number 9 is Field Engines. So this company is about like they will pay you by doing random things up to $12 per hour. So you can download this app and you will see some tasks independent of your area. You need, for example, you need to go to your market and take a photo of the different type of the turkey or something like that, and they will pay you for it. Yeah, because it sounds crazy, but big brands want to know how their products are situated in the market or something like that, if they are as good, and if they are in the area of the view of the customers and something like that. So number 8 is Google Opinion Rewards. As you know, Google is the large company that need to know the feedback of your opinion, and they are actually can pay you for it. And how it works, you can do it for survey or advice measurements, and you can pay you for gift cards. Okay, if you have the Android, and they can pay you by the cash. If you have iPhone, they are pay you because of your data collecting, and this data is useful. So number 7 is SiteCode Bird. Bird, this is the startup that like provide with electric scooters, and this most often in the large cities. But still, you just need to download the app and find where scooters need to charge to be, and you can go there and charge them, and you can earn up to from $5 to $20 per scooters, and I think it's quite good. Number 6 is site called OneSpace. OneSpace is the bird of freelancer. They hire the freelancer to do some random things like writing articles, comments, and feedbacks for them. And you can become, as I said, it's like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can become the freelancer visiting their site OneSpace. You can take the service and check what they are offering for you. And this is quite good if you are good on the writing articles or titles. So number 5 is site called Gigwalk. Gigwalk is a site similar as we talked before. So you need to just go to the shop market and check if there's in your area, if there's something on the shelves what you are asked for, and take a photo and get paid for it. Number 4 is site called Squiffy, and you can just to write what you hear, and just start rate from 10 cents per minute. It's about 60 cents per hour, and yeah, it's quite low, but the work is simple and it's just started. If you go further, if you get good marks like or feedbacks, rates, uh, your rewards will be much more higher, up to 50 cents per minute. So number three calls ClearVoice. You need to create a content for um, the large brands such as Pizza, CraftX, Influent, LifeLog, and others. So you need to go to how it works for freelancers and just to registrate here, and you see like you have a different type of the tasks of creating the comments. It depends of the what large brands wants you to create for them. So number two is SiteCode user testing. I really like this site. They can pay you $10 per site. So your main reason is to check the site, write a review, or maybe record a voice video of your opinion about that site, and they will pay you for it. You can just go to the customers, partners, and just fill it in the registration form here, and as you can see the brands with which user tests are working with. So number 10 is market agency, and as you know, there are a lot of people who don't know how to advertise, or there's some sale or something like that. So you can become one of this market agency worker and start to do ad company for other people. So guys, this was the 10 websites I wanted to share with you today. Hope that some of these sites will help you to start making money online, and as always, earn and spend money online.